Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel, man. I have a great deal to show you folks here today on the Milwaukee Surge. Now, I've put a link down in the video description below for you here, so you can just click on it and get right into that Surge. And hey, besides, it's our affiliate link, so if you guys end up deciding to buy it, we'll get a couple of dollars here, affiliate commission, and we appreciate your supporting our channel. But hey, I wanted to thank Ted McDonald, who just sent this to me a few minutes ago and says, hey, you got to take a look at this thing, man. So this is a pretty good deal. And it's probably hackable too. I'm pretty sure it is. But anyway, I usually don't do the hacks because to me, I like batteries. So here we go. I want to show you this. And we also have another deal that we found with the Hackzall as well. Okay, so here we are on the Milwaukee Fuel, M12 Fuel Surge. Now, this is normally $199 for this kit, so this is the kit with the two 2-amp-hour batteries, and I'm not sure why they're only showing one here, but the title at least says that there's two of them, and it does come with a bag, right? Now, so here we're looking at it, and it's already $20 off right now by itself. This whole kit is now already $20 off. But, okay, so here we are. We have our Surge here. And we're ready to go, and it says right there, see, 2 batteries and charger included in it. But right below it, you should be seeing this thing right here, where it says free gift with purchase. So we're going to go over here and expand it, and now you see the battery pops up. So the M12, that seems to be the only free gift they're doing right now with the purchase on this kit. So let's go ahead and select the battery. And then right above it, you can see it says add both to the cart. So I'm going to do that. We'll add both to the cart. And let's go check out the cart. See what we got in the cart. All right. View the cart. So now what you're seeing in the cart, it looks like if you were to hack this M12 battery and like cancel it, you know, get your money back later or whatever, your cost would only be $131 on the Surge. So that's something to look into here. Or you could even just sell the battery online to somebody, you know. So I have to figure out what I want to do here, if I want to keep the battery or what. But it looks like the average cost of this, if I can sell this battery for 47 bucks, oh yeah, that would be $131. So that's pretty decent price, and it's one of the lowest prices we've ever seen, I think, on this, and I'll show you why. Right now, if you were to buy the Surge tool only, because you see, here it is right here, folks, here's our M12 Fuel Surge, tool only is $149. Okay, so what we're talking about getting here is, instead of paying $149, our average price could be $131, and you get a whole kit with 2 batteries and a bag and a charger, for crying out loud. Okay, hopefully you can get it, because I don't know how long this is going to last. I don't know if this is that same type of thing like we had in January or not, where you have one deal ending and another one coming on. I just haven't really had enough time to study the brand new deals that are coming up this week, now that the first of the Q2 tool deals are ending, and to see what sort of deals they're doing with the Milwaukee batteries. But at least here you can see, you can order this now and just have it shipped to your house, because whether or not your store has it, and in fact my store, it was showing there was 1 in stock, and you guys all know what happens when it shows 1 in stock. It's probably not there. So my order would likely be canceled if I ordered it from the store. So we're going to go ahead and order this right now, and we're going to check out here and just have it mailed to our house. So if you were on the fence about buying a Milwaukee M12 Surge brushless and cordless impact driver, hey, now is your chance to get it. Okay, now here's the other one that you can do here. So this is the Hackzall. This is the M12 Fuel Hacksaw. So this one is brushless. Now, it has the same type of deal. You bring it up here, and it says $179 for the kit. But if you come over here and select a free gift with purchase, and look what they're giving you this time. They're giving you an XC 6.0 battery. Now, what I like about these, This is a really good battery to use in the M12 rocket light. So I always tell people the minimum batteries you want to use in that light are the XC 4.0 and the XC 6.0 because of their extended capacity. This is a really great battery to get, especially for a $119 value. So we're adding both to the cart. And let's go in here and see what kind of damage it does. Damage report, Scotty. Let's see. So you can see it took our Hackzall kit, which was $179 right there, and it turns it into $107. That's if you end up deciding to hack the battery. Now remember, if you hack the battery, they're only going to give you $71 back. It's a $119 battery. Now, some people will sell them on, Nextdoor app or Facebook Marketplace or eBay, so you could do that too. Or keep the battery. That's what I would suggest, because really, folks, how often do you come across a chance to score an XC 6.0 battery without having to buy, what is it, for I think for $199 you get to buy that kit with two of them when they come out with that deal, the starter kit, and then you get the rocket light free, that type of thing. So yeah, I think this is a pretty decent deal here. So depending on how you want to slice it and how you want to work it, whether you want to hack the battery or if you want to acquire this battery for $71 and hack the kit, you can do that as well. Okay, so these are just two of the deals that I found right away. I wanted to get this video up very, very fast for you folks. So as we find others, we'll put links to it in the community tab, or maybe we'll make a second video and then list all of the links. But as we find more of these deals, we'll add the links into the video description below for you. All right, guys, you have a great night and happy hunting. Hey, don't forget to use our link down below to buy it, okay? Thanks. We'll see y'all.